Good day, children. Sai Ram. Today, in this period, we will do the revision of active English, as you have your second unit test in the next week. So, we are not going to start with the new chapter. So, let us start, children. Okay. Now, look at the head question, okay, which is given in the black color. That is the head questions. Here also, in active English also, you will be having multiple choice questions. Okay. Look at the picture and choose the correct answer. So, what is the head question? Children, you have to read the question, head question properly, the questions properly, and then you have to click on the correct answer. Okay. So, the head question is, look at the picture and choose the correct answer. The first one is, where is the bird? So, you have to observe the picture. The picture is given on the right hand side. You have to observe the picture properly. Where is the bird? Okay. Now, there are two options given here. We will see which are the two options. The bird is under the tree. The bird is on the tree. So, the two options are, the first one is, the bird is under the tree. Second one option is, the bird is on the tree. So, look at the picture, observe the picture properly, and then you have to click on the correct answer. So, what can you see? Where is the bird? Yes, the bird is on the tree. No, it is on the tree. It is not under the tree. Okay, under means down. On means up. Okay. So, you are going to click on the second option. The bird is on the tree. Okay. Next one. Where is the boy? Okay. You can see two children. One is girl and one is boy. Okay. So, here it is asked, where is the boy? Okay. So, the options are, he is beside the girl, and the other option is behind the girl. Now, where is the boy? Is he beside the girl or he is behind the girl? Beside means here only, near to you only. Okay. And behind means backside. Okay. Now, where is the boy? Just observe it proper. Observe the picture properly. He is beside the girl or he is behind the girl? Yes, he is beside the girl. Okay, he is not behind. He is beside the girl. So, click on the first option. He is beside the girl. So, you can see the boy, he is beside the girl only. He is not behind. He is beside the girl. Okay. So, you are going to click on the first option. Next one. Where is the woman? Observe the picture properly. Where is the woman? We'll see what are the options. She is on the boat. She is in the boat. Where is the woman? She is on the boat. Another one is, she is in the boat. So, can you see where is the woman? Is she on the boat or she is in the boat? Yes, she is in the boat. We don't say on the boat. Okay. She is on the boat? No. She is in the boat. She is on the boat is not the correct answer. She is in the boat. So, click on she is in the boat. Next one, number 4. Is there a plate on the table? You can see a table. Okay, picture of a table. Now it is asked, is there a plate on the table? So, what are the options we'll see? Yes, there is. No, there is not. So, here you have to answer in short. Give short answer. Okay. Now, first observe the picture. Is there a plate on the table? Yes, there is. or no, there is not. So you cannot see the plate on the table, right? So what will you write? Which option are you going to click? Yes. No, there is not. So you are going to click on no, there is not. This is the short answer. No, there is not. Okay. Move to the next question. Number 5. Is there a vase on the table? Vase means the flower vase. Okay. Is there a vase on the table? See the picture properly. Observe the picture properly. Observe the picture. And just see whether there is a vase on the table. We'll see the option. Here also you have to give in short answer. Yes, there is. And the other option is no, there is not. Is there a vase on the table? Yes, there is. No, there is not. Two options are there. Just first observe the picture. Whether you can see vase on the table? Yes. So which answer you are going to click? First or the second one? Yes, you click on the first option. Yes, there is. Yes, there is. Is there a vase on the table? Yes, there is. Okay? Next one. Number 6 question. Where are the apples? Where are the apples? Here you are not going to answer in short. You have to give full sentence answer. So observe the picture properly. See where are the apples. So let us see what is there in the option. It is on the plate. Second one, they are on the plate. First option is it is on the plate. They are on the plate. It is on the plate means, are the apples only one apple is there? No, there are many. So if there are many, do we say it? It is on the plate? No. For many we don't use it. Many we use they. Okay. It we use for single objects, single thing. Okay, one thing. Okay. But here there are many apples. So they are on the plate. Where are the apples? They are on the plate. So we are going to use they. Okay, they are on the plate. We are not going to say it is on the plate. We say they are on the plate because there are many apples. Okay, so click on they are on the plate. Okay, move to the next question. Number 7. Where is the dog? Where is the dog? Now see here. You can see a dog over here. And you can see a boy over here. So it is asked, what is the question? Where is the dog? So you have to tell the position of the dog. Where is the dog? So we'll see the options. What are the options given here? It is in front of the boy. And what is the other option? It is behind the boy. So it is in front of the boy. In front means this. Okay. And it is behind the boy means back side. Okay. So where is the dog? It is in front of the boy or it is behind the boy. Now see. See, this one is the dog and this one is the boy. So you have to tell where this dog is standing or sitting. Okay. It is in front of the boy or it is behind the boy? Where can you see the dog? Can you see the dog in front of the boy? Or you can see the dog behind the boy? Yes. We can see the dog in front of the boy. So it is in front of the boy. So click on it is in front of the boy. Where is the dog? It is in front of the boy. Next one. Number 8. Where is the ball? Now observe the picture properly. Where is the ball? You can see the ball over here. Yes. So and you can see the ball here. So where is the ball? We'll see the options. It is on the table or it is under the table. Where is the ball? It is on the table or it is under the table. Now see, where is the ball? The ball is here. Is the ball on the table or it is under the table? Yes, we can see the ball under the table, right? So it is under the table. So click on it is under the table. Okay. Now we'll see next question. Number 9. How many glasses are there on the table? Here you have to count number of glasses and you have to answer in full sentence. You are not going to give only the numbers. Okay, you are not going to tell only the numbers. You are going to answer in full sentence. Okay, so how many glasses are there on the table? First we are going to see the options. Okay, what are the options? First one is, there are 5 glasses on the table. There are 5 glasses on the table. Let us see what is the next option. There are 4 glasses on the table. There are 4 glasses on the table. First option is, there are 5 glasses on the table. The second one is, there are 4 glasses on the table. So, first what we are going to do, we are going to count how many glasses are there. Okay, then we are going to click on the correct answer. So, let us count. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So how many glasses are there? There are 4 glasses on the table. So there are 4 glasses on the table. Okay. Next question. Number 10. How many cats are there in the box? Now we have to count how many cats are there. How many cats are there in the box? So let us see the options. There are 2 cats in the box. Second option, there are 3 cats in the box. First one is, there are 2 cats in the box, and the other one is, there are 3 cats in the box. There are 2 cats in the box. The other one is, there are 3 cats in the box. So let us count the number of cats. So 1, 2. How many cats are there? 2. So which answer you are going to click? First one. There are 2 cats in the box. There are 2 cats in the box. Move to the next question. Now the head question is changed. Count and choose the correct answer. Now here you are not going to write in full sentence. Just you have to count and write, and you have to click on the correct number. Count and choose the correct answer. You will see the option 6 trees and the other one is 7 trees. So you have to count first how many trees are there, and then you are going to click on the correct answer. So count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So how many trees are there? 6 trees. So which option you are going to click? The first option. 6 trees. Okay. Move to the next one. Now here you are going to count how many chairs are there. Okay. So let us see the option first. 13 chairs and 3 chairs. So how many chairs are there? We'll count. 1, 2 and 3. So how many chairs are there? There are 3 chairs. So how many chairs? 3 chairs. So click on 3 chairs. Okay, click on 3 chairs. Next one. Okay, now here you can see, so what are these? They are the apples. So how many apples are there? How many apples? So let us see the option first. 12 apples, and the next one is 20 apples. 12 apples and 20 apples. Now we don't know whether the apples are 12 or whether the apples are 20. So let us count the apples. Shall we count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So how many apples are there? Yes. How many apples? 20. No. Yes, there are 12 apples. So which option you are going to click? The first one. 12 apples. How many apples are there? 12 apples. We'll move to the next question. What can you see? A pond. And how we can see the ducks here in the water. Okay. So here we are going to count how many ducks are there. Okay, how many ducks are there in the pond? So first we are going to see the options. 7 ducks. First option is 7 ducks. And the second one is 5 ducks. 7 ducks and 5 ducks. So first we are going to count the number of ducks, and then we are going to click on the correct option. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So how many ducks are there? There are 5 ducks. So you are going to click on 5 ducks. So click on 5 ducks. So how many ducks are there? There are 5 ducks. So click on 5 ducks. Okay. Next one. What is there? What can you see in the plate? Oranges. Now we are going to count the number of oranges. First we are going to see the options. First one is 6 oranges and second one is 8 oranges. Okay. Now first we are going to count how many oranges are there, and then we are going to click on the correct answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So how many oranges are there? 6 oranges. How many oranges are there? 6 oranges. So on which you are going to click? Which option? Yes, first option. So click on the first option. So how many oranges are there? 6 oranges. Okay, children. So we have finished with our revision. Okay. Now what are you going to do? You are going to take your home notebook and you are going to write all the questions and answers with the answers. Okay, options also you are going to write, and the correct option you are going to put a click. You are going to put a tick. Okay, so all these revision question whatever I have taught you today, you are going to write in your home notebook. Okay, so children, all the best for your exams. Study well. Okay, and we'll meet in the next period. Again, I'm telling you all the best, children. Okay, and get good marks. Bye.